In a coastal town, a new municipal token funded a microgrid project after a decade of blackouts and inspired nearby towns. Officials partnered with a local co-op to issue the token, tying energy credits to each citizen's digital wallet. When storm damage hit again, the token liquidity kept repairs moving while traditional funds lagged during disasters and calm weather alike. Residents learned to value liquidity and governance as the token enabled transparent budgeting and rapid repairs. The experiment reshaped the town's coin market narrative, proving a community token can convert resilience into measurable utility for future projects.